All right. If you want to know the 3 essentials to, I'll actually go 5 essentials you need for your good griddle cooking. Here they are. Number 1, you have to have some type of griddle. Here is the E-Series that we just used. As you can see, it's kind of dirty. We just use this thing. But the E-Series is nice for indoor cooking. And then I have the Blackstone. If you want me to compare other griddles, I can't because I've never used any of the other ones. I listened to a guy named Griddle Guru, and he says to stay away from the Sam's Club one right now because they are not using stainless steel and they have gone kind of cheap on the model and the make. Otherwise, I can't tell you which ones are better. If Pit Boss is better. I know Traeger has just came out with a griddle. I can't tell you which is better because I've only used my Blackstone, but I will tell you Blackstone is awesome. I have the 36-inch. If you have a big family, I recommend the 36-inch. If you have a smaller family, you can do the 28-inch. If you camp, there's a really good camping one that you can use. It's got wheels, a 22-inch. It's really nice. It just kind of depends on what you want. Number 2. Okay, as you start cooking, you need oil. Oil is huge. What types of oil? That just kind of depends on your preference. If you are looking to eat more healthy, they have things such as avocado oil. They have different kind of oils that are a little more healthy. I will tell you the price of those goes up. My combination here is of canola oil and olive oil. That's what I do. It's a nice combination of both. That's kind of what I use. I don't try to get fancy with my oil. I just cook. If I'm gonna fry, I can use some vegetable oil or peanut oil. I've done that. And yes, you can fry on your Blackstone. You can shallow fry, which means you put the oil kind of in a puddle on your Blackstone, and once you see the steam coming off of it, you throw whatever you want to fry. It works great. Or you can actually put those lovely tin pans on your Blackstone, fill it with oil and let it heat up. And then once you get high enough on your heat, you throw it in there. We did it with egg rolls not too long. There is a video on the YouTube channel. Number 3 essential of cooking on a Blackstone. You do need a good spatula. This one's for my E-Series, so you need a spatula that is really nice. There are hundreds of them out there. I use the Blackstone. They're basic long inch black ones. I will show on another video. I don't like my spatula to be too wide. I find it's really hard to pick things up. I don't like it. I like the long, skinny ones that it's just easy to use and I can fling and cook however I want. Number 4, I don't have one with me, but a good scraper to clean it off after you cook. That is a must. Really, the only tools that are absolutely necessary on a Blackstone is A, the Blackstone, B, the spatula, and 3, the scraper. You can do everything, any type of cooking as long as you have those 3 things. The other things just make your life as a cook on the Blackstone a little bit easier. The next thing I would say, and I think this is essential to cooking. Okay, have any of you ever taken a bite into food and you go, oh, I thought it was going to be better than that. What the heck? Where's the flavor? The key is the seasonings. Seasonings make or break your food. We just got done cooking pizza sliders at my dad, and we loved them. They turned out amazing, but the reason is the seasoning. We used the Italian seasoning in those to do it. Absolutely amazing. I probably go a little heavy-handed in seasoning for some, but I would rather go heavy-handed than for your food to be bland. So, once again, wrap it up. 5 essentials that you need in order to Blackstone the griddle, not Blackstone griddle, just to griddle. A would be some kind of griddle. You obviously need a griddle. So number 1, griddle. Number 2 would be you need oil. Okay, lots of different kinds out there, but you need some kind of oil. Number 3, you need a spatula of some sort. This one can only be used on my E-Series it would not hold up to the heat on the Blackstone I have outside. But you need a spatula. 4, you need a scraper in order to clean it when you're done. And 5, you need good seasoning. So these are the essentials to be a great Blackstone chef.